Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, Explicit Wellness. Yes, today I will be showing you how to do a lip scrub. And I'm going to be doing a brown sugar and baking soda lip scrub. And the first ingredient, the main ingredient, is baking soda. I'll be using baking soda. And I will be using brown sugar, which I have put 2 tablespoons in here. Light brown sugar, that's going to be the exfoliator along with the baking soda. But first of all, I want to tell you about baking soda. Baking soda can be used as an exfoliant to cleanse and to reduce hyperpigmentation. Yes, we do have hyperpigmentation on our lips, not just our skin, and it can also make our skin, and we also can have dry skin, dry lips. All that coordinates with each other. It's also a mildly antibacterial, and baking soda can dry out your skin. So make sure that you use a different type, some type of oil or a moisturizer. So this is the to-go-to. I use baking soda on everything, my face, my teeth. You can use it around the house, cleaning up because it's pure. And it's like it says, pure baking soda. Okay? So keep some baking soda around your home. Also, after I do my scrub, I'm going to also be using a hydro lip mask. This is a hydro lip mask to keep that anti-aging away. It's an anti-wrinkle serum here, and I can't wait to use it. But this is a lip hydro mask. Okay, let's get started. I have used 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar. And I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of baking soda. See what I'm doing here. It's light baking soda. Put some of my spoon here. Okay, that's like 2 tablespoons there. I'm gonna stir it all up. And by the way, you're only going to need 3 ingredients. You're gonna need 3 ingredients. That's baking soda, brown sugar, and I'm also going to put an oil in here, which is going to be rosehip oil. But make sure you have the consistency that you need. Probably put a little bit more in there. And this is how it looks. You're just going to stir it up. And this is my rosehip oil that I will be using. Rosehip oil is good for hair and skin. Contains essential fatty acids. If you can see it. It contains beta carotene, vitamin E, and vitamin C. And this is a moisturizing hair and skin oil. So I'm just going to put 1 and 2. I'm going to stir that up. And make sure you're getting the consistency that you need. You don't want it to be too grainy, and you don't want it to be too oily either. So I'm going to put some more now. See that it did not. And just keep stirring it up until it gets kind of oily. You'll see the base. The base has changed, the color, consistency of it. And you're just gonna stir that around like so. Probably want to feel the consistency of it. If you feel like you want to put a little bit more oil in there, you can. Like I'm doing. You want to get those lips exfoliated, moisturized, and free of dry skin. Okay, now that that is done, I'm going to start to exfoliate my lips. And all you do is just go around with it. It feels gentle to your skin. Make sure you get the sides of your lips underneath, because you want your lips to be a even skin tone. You want to have an even skin tone. This mixture is going to exfoliate, clean and reduce hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, anti-aging, and it's going to get rid of that dryness. Even though I put brown sugar in here, please don't eat it. Cannot eat this because it has chemicals in it, which is the oil. And you can do this however long you feel the smoothest in your lips. You don't want to go around with dry, crusty lips. And people ask, how often should you exfoliate your skin? You should exfoliate your skin at least twice a week. Twice a week. You saw me put rosehip oil in my mixture here. But you can use any type of oil that you're comfortable with and you know that works. Vitamin E oil, vitamin C, jojoba oil, coconut oil. I'm just gonna rub this in light so. I feel it softening up already. Just don't get your lips, go around your lips. Exfoliate, get all that dead skin off. If you don't want to use baking soda, you can also use brown sugar or a white granulous sugar, coconut oil, and you can also put honey, but this is what I'm using. Just giving you some ideas, whatever you think you may want to substitute. You can substitute any natural ingredient other than what I'm using. Feels so soft and supple already. Okay. You all, the fall is coming in and you know your skin gets real dry during the fall and winter time, so It's a must that you exfoliate. If you want to do it 3 times a week, you can. It depends on the person's skin. So I'm going to come back to you. I'm going to get a warm washcloth and rinse that off and show you my lips. Okay, guys, I have washed my lips, have my warm washcloth, and you just wipe it like so. Wipe it until all the ingredients is off. No, you don't feel any grainy. Substance from the mixture. And as you can see, it works. You seen my lips in the beginning. And now you see them now. Soft. And also I would like to add, if you smoke, if you're a heavy smoker, this is a good scrub for you. This is a good scrub because smoking takes the oxygen out of our lips. And we want to get that look again. We want to get that pinkish, healthy, glowing look to our skin. Okay. Now that we have done the the scrub, because we're getting ready to do the Hydro Lip Mask. Okay. This is the Hydro Lip Mask here. Anti-wrinkle serum. You can leave it on for 15 minutes. It's a lip therapy. It has intense hydration, revitalize, smooth, and soften lips. It revitalizes and softens your lips, and it's also an anti-wrinkle serum. So let's take it out. Let me tell you what it says to do. It says, wear the mask for 10 to 15 minutes for the best results. Make sure you wash off all remaining residue immediately after treatment, as leaving on longer can cause allergic reactions. This is a one-time use product. And it says, if you have sensitive skin or are allergic to any ingredients listed in the product, don't use, okay? And it says you can use this once a week. So let's take this out. It has like a moisture on here. It's a gold moisture. Excuse me, it fell on my washcloth. Okay. It's a gold lip. Okay. I'm gonna leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure you don't have any creases. Just spread it out. And this is the Hydrogel Lip Mask. I feel a cool sensation. This is an anti-wrinkle serum. Offers intense hydration to revitalize, smooth and soften skin for 15 minutes. 15-minute moisture lip therapy. And I'll be back in 15. Okay guys, I have finished. My 15 minutes is up using my gold lip therapy mask. So let's take it off. We did not leave any gold residue. It's just moistened it up because it has aqua in it. That's the first ingredient that it has in it, aqua. And this lip therapy mask is only used once. Just one time. You can't reuse it because all of the moisture is gone off of it. But the first ingredient is aqua water. It has glycerin in it and elastin, hydrolyzed elastin, gold, synthetic, and those are the main ingredients there. I got this from my local Big Lots. I think it was like $2-3 for just one. And if you're lucky, you probably can get it for $1 because I have seen them for $1 before. But it works. Before I put my lip therapy mask on, my lips were a little rougher after I had cleansed them with my exfoliator. But after I put the lip therapy mask on, it made it moisturized. So this is my leftover lip scrub, brown sugar and baking soda lip scrub. And what I did was just put the rest of it in my container. And you can keep this in your refrigerator about a week. If you use it twice, about a week. Depends on how much you use and the size of your lips and how damaged your lips are. So that's what you can do. You can put it in a little container and you can put it in your refrigerator. And my last step is I'm going to use my Luscious Glossy, Shiny, Polished, Radiant Skin. This is what it's going to, how it's going to make my lips look like my skin. And I call this Luxurious. Luxurious. It has all different types of oils in there. And you don't need but a little because it's oily. And I'm going to just spread that on there because you don't want to forget to moisturize your skin. After you do any type of cleansing and exfoliation of your skin or your lips, you want to have that moisture. Keep it moisturized and prevent that cracking, dead skin and those dead skin cells. So remember, baking soda can be used as an exfoliant to clean and reduce hyperpigmentation and dry skin. It also is mildly antibacterial and it lifts away the dirt and dry, dead skin cells. And don't forget to moisturize. So these are my lips. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in to Explicit Wellness and have a great day.